Right, hello again. Just a quick video. So what I couldn't find was, or at least a decent one, was. So I've just put an alternator on this Toyota AYGO. So it's the same as a Puegeot 107. Yeah, Puegeot 107 Citroen C1. Same thing. So the belt is right too ready to touch it. So it's ram at the top to the alternator. Goes from the crank to the AC, then to the tensioner, and then back to the alternator. So yeah. So brother who bought this one wanted a battery, put a battery on it, was getting load blowers on, main beam, hazards on, was getting 12.2. So I've been shook forward, so I can get a reading for you. Done the load now. 13.6, 13.7, jumping up and down. Charging rate when everything's off is 14.2. So hazards off, blowers off, lights off. There we go, 14 at idle. Switch that one over. 14. No. It's not going well, this. $14. I promise it was right. There we go. Right, so that's straight off the back of the alternator, 14.2. So I've lost 0.2 at the battery. Thereabouts. So that'll do me. So the problem I was having was it felt like the car had no power steering. You drive it, the steering was just heavy. So yeah, that's all done now. Yeah, just a quick little video. Yeah.